Hey, Cory.
Hmm?
What do you want to do today?
I don't know.
Well, Stranger Things Season 3 came out this week, and I think it'd be kind of cool, since that's set in a mall. Why don't we go to the mall?
No, yeah. I haven't been to a mall in a long time.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go! Whoa!
It worked!
Yeah!
Let's go to the mall today.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to a BigCTV adventure. My name is Chris. I'm joined by Cory. We snapped ourselves over here to the mall Millenia in the middle of Orlando. Why we're here? Why not?
Why not?
Cory's
I've
never been here.
Yeah.
If you didn't know, the mall Millenia is like a really fancy mall. So we're going to look at all the sites. We're going to have some Cheesecake Factory, which we haven't had in a long time.
Yeah, very.
You excited?
Time. Yeah, I'm very excited.
All right, let's go get some food, and then we'll begin our adventures here at the mall Millenia. If you've never been to the Cheesecake Factory, just look at how massive this menu is. It's like 250 items. It's insane. Cory, you know what you're getting, right?
Oh yeah.
What?
Actually, not.
No idea. No idea. I didn't think so.
Truffle honey chicken.
There's too many things. I mean,
Yeah.
I know what I'm gonna get. Oh man, pretzel bites with white cheddar cheese fondue as an appetizer. Oh man, or these, the fried mac and cheese bites. We have to get those. All right, well, let's go figure out what we're gonna eat at Cheesecake Factory. So again, if you've never eaten at Cheesecake Factory, the menu is freaking huge. There are so many items, and they're all so very varied. Like, it's just very, very challenging to get through the entire menu and try to just pick out one thing to try. Cory, do you have any idea what you're gonna have?
Not yet, no. And this will likely be the cycle for at least another 5 minutes or so.
Okay.
So the main thing about it is that it's not only just a really big menu, it's that there's so many things on the menu that looks really good. So you're not sure exactly which one you want. So it's a constant cycle of, okay, that looks good. Do I really want that? That also looks good. This looks good. I don't know which one to pick. So that's pretty much the same issue I'm going through right now today, because I'm thinking about the crispy spicy chicken sandwich, but the stuffed cheddar burger looks pretty good. Also the mac and cheese burger looks pretty good.
And they have a lot more than just burgers.
Yeah.
I'm not
So,
getting a burger. So. All right.
You know,
Well, you continue looking, and we'll check on the progress when everything comes in. All right, so we got our drinks. I got the delicious raspberry lemonade with a sugar rim. Of course, we got our famous Cheesecake Factory bread. Cory, what did you end up ordering?
I got the spicy chicken sandwich. I don't know, I was in a chicken mood, in a sandwich mood, in a spicy mood.
Well, that's a good reason. And I got my favorite item that I've had so far here. The chicken parmesan pizza style, which, wait till you see that, it's pretty amazing. So, what do you think of the bread? Solid brown bread. It's not like anything earth-shatteringly good, but it's solid. So, anyway, we're gonna eat this and wait for our appetizer that I cannot wait to try, or for you to try, because you're gonna love it. It's amazing. So,
Looking forward to it.
oh yeah. All right, our mac and cheese ball bites have arrived. Cory, would you do the honors?
Sure.
That's when I get in Paramount, that's not how I
Oh, yeah, you should be good in both.
That's really good.
Yeah, okay. My son,
Told you.
My son has autism, so he does
I love how hot and fresh it is, first of all.
yeah.
And
So, I know that.
of course, it's very, very cheesy. Really good flavor to it. Right amount of crunch, right amount of cheese.
So I just
Pretty much a perfect macaroni and cheese ball, fried macaroni and cheese ball. I'm really about this. Pretty nice.
Glad you liked it. All right, our food just came. I got the chicken parmesan pizza style, which is basically flat piece of chicken with parmesan sauce and tomato sauce, and then some parmesan pasta. Cory, that's your spicy chicken sandwich.
Yep. Can you see it?
Nice thing of fries. Looks solid. It's big.
Yeah.
That's a honking piece of chicken right there.
Huge piece of chicken. These fries are really good too. They kind of remind me of McDonald's.
Interesting. I kind of want to try one. This one. Yeah, they kind of do. Bigger though. All right.
you're going out to snack, you said.
You want to assemble your sandwich and give it a try?
Yeah.
All right, the sandwich is assembled. That thing's massive.
Yeah.
All right, Cory, let's see how this Cheesecake Factory chicken sandwich shapes up.
It's really hot. Perfect.
Really? It's got a little kick to it because I know you got it spicy.
Like,
I used to as a kid, but I think my mom
I don't think I got a bite of the sauce yet, but the flavor of the chicken is spectacular. Has that crunchy, juicy consistency. Like, it's like
Yeah,
you see
that's-
inside of it, you see how juicy it is.
Oh yeah, very clearly.
Yeah, so it's great stuff. Like, really good flavor on that.
The bun looks good too. It's got sesame seeds on it. It looks pretty flavorful.
Yeah, toasted really well. Immaculate.
Excellent. So definitely approval.
Yeah.
All right, Cory's now gonna try the chicken parmesan pizza style that I got. See how that is.
brown bread.
Ooh, that's hot. Yeah. Yeah, that's really good. It was a really, and I thought it sounded good when you was describing it to me. But yeah, like, chicken as a crust, is always good. Really good flavor on that. Really good marinara sauce. The pasta,
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna go
it's
to
okay.
dinner and be like,
But, it does pretty well, it goes in pretty well, but it's nothing spectacular. But everything else is
It
like,
adds a nice texture contrast to it. I think that's
yeah,
kind of what it's there for.
it's pretty nice though. It's really good.
Glad you like it. All right, so of course we're at the Cheesecake Factory, so naturally we had to get cheesecake. Cory got the regular low-carb version with strawberries, which is classic. I did something bold. I told them to surprise me. So I don't know what kind of cheesecake I'm getting. All I assume is that it's going to be good, whatever it is. But I have no idea what's going to be coming up. So it's going to be fun.
It won't be low carb or coffee.
It won't be low carb or coffee. But anything else is fair game. So we will see what I end up getting. All right, so they took up the challenge. I asked them to surprise me, and I'm definitely surprised because honestly, this is not a flavor I would have normally ordered. This is lemon meringue cheesecake. And it came very highly recommended by our server, so I'm excited to try this. All right, let's try it out. That's good. Toasted marshmallow gooiness on the top adds a nice new texture to it. The lemon is there. It's very refreshing. It's not too strong. This is kind of a perfect summer cheesecake just because it's light, it's refreshing, but it's not overpowering, which is normally what you would expect from a cheesecake. So I'm digging this. This is a good, surprising recommendation by the Cheesecake Factory. Lemon meringue cheesecake. Alright, so we just finished our meal at the Cheesecake Factory. Cory, what were your overall thoughts about our lunch today?
Oh, it was pretty good. I mean, it was good the first time I went. Always wanted to go back and find time to go back, and I'm very satisfied with what I got.
We were very full.
To quote Peter Parker from Spider-Man 2, the video game, That cheesecake was so good. I'm stuffed.
That was an actual quote. Well, I can quote Peter Parker from Spider-Man 2, the movie. It's pizza time, because I had a pizza. Kind of.
Yeah.
So, anyway, we are now inside the Millenia Mall, and as you can see, it's a very fancy mall. There are all kinds of different stores and stuff, so we're gonna take a leisurely stroll around and see what kind of stores we like and maybe want to poke our heads into. Maybe we'll go on some more adventures. So let's stroll around the mall.